First, add your video into the timeline, then go to Effects tab and add the black and white film effect. Then click the color icon, go to color correction, go to adjust, then go to color and increase the exposure to 56. Then go to light and decrease the highlight to -71. Click OK. Now add tilt shift cycle effect, then place the video in the second track, then go to media, add the original video in the lower track, then click the upper video, right click it, go to edit properties, compositing, and change the blending mode to screen. Click OK, then click the render icon.